What's up everybody? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add Robinhood chain into MetaMask wallet. This is going to be pretty much exactly the same process on desktop and on mobile device. But in this video, I'm just going to be doing on a desktop version. So first we need to go to this website, docs.robinhood.com, chain add network to wallet. There's two different ways to add. First, the easiest way, if you just press on MetaMask and then connect your MetaMask to their website, connect, and then it's going to give you option to add. You just have to add confirm, and this is going to add automatically Robinhood chain into MetaMask wallet. And then there is a manual process. If we scroll down right here, you can see to add manually to MetaMask. So there are two different ones, the main chain and then the testnet. We're going to be doing main chain, Robinhood chain. So let me split the screen real quick. So on this side, I'm going to open up MetaMask wallet. In the top right corner, I need to press on hamburger menu and then on networks and then add a custom network. In here, we just need to copy all the information and paste in here. Once you enter all the information in here, just press on save and it's going to add Robinhood chain to your MetaMask wallet. Scroll down right here, Robinhood chain. And now if we go back in here, you can see Robinhood's chain is added. And Ethereum is the default currency that will be used for gas fees. And in the next video, I'm going to show you where to buy and how to swap and get Ethereum on Robinhood and how to purchase meme tokens on Robinhood chain. Link to this information I'm going to leave in the description below. Good luck to everybody and thanks for watching.